Welcome to the Happy Fun Kill Club, a two-player, turn-based, action-packed, strategic NFT card game where players connect with one another online, across the globe, worldwide, and battle to the death for control of 11 squares in a futuristic arena featuring the greatest fighters from all the multiverse. Watch now as we play a match across two separate browser windows, communicating with integrity and fidelity as this game is played in real time. Players take turns asynchronously deploying character cards, selecting actions, and moving characters around the arena, battling for control of the limited space. Players create decks of cards composed of characters inspired by history and fantasy and pit these fighters against others, attempting to support their teammates and kill their rivals. Each character has a range of stats and specialized actions and attacks, as well as limited energy that players must manage while developing strategies to win. To minimize friction, all players who sign into the server are given 11 starter cards with which they can begin playing. Players who enjoy the game may choose to purchase packs of cards. Packs is an ERC-20 token that can be spent to reveal 7 NFT cards of varying rarity, the results of which are determined by a Chainlink VRF request. Here the player purchases packs tokens on the Avalanche Fuji testnet. Then the player opens the packs, sending the token to a smart contract which initiates a Chainlink VRF request for 7 random numbers. These random numbers are then passed to another smart contract, which assigns token URIs to each of these 7 NFT cards, which are then minted. This results in an experience much like opening a physical pack of cards. Players may enjoy finding cards of varying rarity from uncommon to legendary, and can take assurance in the fact that the results of each unwrapping are provably fair, with security enforced by a Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. The Happy Fun Kill Club server connects with a node synchronized to the Avalanche Fuji testnet. Happy Fun Kill Club NFT cards are enumerated ERC-721 tokens. That means that the server can query the endpoint using the Web3 PHP interface to verify that the player actually holds the NFTs in their wallet that they are claiming on the client side. Signatures are collected and verified by the server to prove that the user genuinely controls the wallet address. Therefore, through this approach of using cryptographic proof end-to-end, we ensure that the client cannot spoof data and actually owns the cards in their deck. The cards that players discover while opening packs are synchronized from the Avalanche Fuji testnet to the server. Players can admire and examine their cards while arranging decks in the deck building program. They can also save their decks and use them in games. Speaking of games, let's check in on this game and see how it's going. It seems like player 2 has the upper hand and is going in for the kill, but it's not over yet. Players who complete games in the Happy Fun Kill Club receive red coins, a reward token that can be minted and spent on-chain to purchase limited edition NFT item and effect cards. Here the player mints 77 red coins. The server makes a Chainlink functions request to a decentralized Oracle network. The network reaches a consensus, and the agreed upon quantity of red coins are minted to the blockchain and sent to the player's wallet. Now let's tune back in for the exciting conclusion of this match. Oh, player 2 seals the deal, killing the last of player 1's characters and winning the game. As the victor, player 2 has earned 3 red coins, but player 1 earns a red coin too for completing the match and being a good sport. And this is the Red Coin Shop, which features limited edition NFT item and effect cards that can be used in-game. These items can only be purchased with red coins and only for a limited time. Here, the player has purchased an intermediate first aid kit, which restores the health of a wounded character. We can see our NFT first aid kit on the OpenSea testnet website. The stats are listed. We can also see it on our block explorer. To manage the updating of the Red Coin Shop smart contract, I am using Chainlink Automation. Chainlink Automation allows me to reliably schedule smart contract updates in advance. Here in the smart contract is a special function that only my upkeeper can call. Once called, the token URIs and prices of the items in the Red Coin Shop are updated to predetermined values set by the manager of the contract. For the purposes of testing, I have scheduled this upkeep to occur nightly, but if moved to production, I think it makes more sense for Red Coin Shop upkeeps to occur bi-weekly, giving players enough time to work and save toward an item that interests them. Thanks for checking out Happy Fun Kill Club, my Chainlink Constellation Hackathon submission.